I'm Ben Smith, Quality Manager and Certified Weld Inspector here at Super Radiator Coils in Richmond, Virginia. Today we'll be discussing passivation of stainless steel welds. A primary benefit of the stainless steel is its resistance to corrosion, which comes from the passive layer of chromium that naturally occurs on the metal surface. During the welding, this chromium layer is compromised, leaving the welded area, also known as the heat-affected zone, vulnerable to corrosive attack. The chromium layer, in most cases, will self-heal or return over time on its own. But passivation accelerates that process, restoring the passive layer immediately. Here, we have a series of fillet welds that are ready for the passivation step. To start the process, the operator passes over the heat-affected zone with an electrostatic wand. This wand contains a tank of electrolyte solution, which when coupled with the electric current, cleans the weld. Notice how the weld tint immediately disappears, leaving behind a brilliant surface. The operator then uses a neutralizing solution to stop the process. The final step is to give everything a thorough rinse with clean water. If you have any questions regarding passivation, stainless steel coils in general, or ways in which we improve our world by unleashing the power of thermodynamics, give one of our experts a call. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.